Precision is required to ensure the specimens remain intact and unstressed. Real-time sampling ensures the batch meets microbial standards before heat treatment. Immediate cooling halts the cooking process, preserving the structural integrity of the larva. Initial heat removes surface water rapidly to prevent any microbial growth. Hand hygiene follows the same standards as a medical surgical suite. Every specimen is scanned to calculate its exact volume and density within milliseconds. Technology allows us to see inside the product without ever breaking the roasted exterior. Computers calculate the perfect combination of individual larvae to reach the exact target weight. Rejection is instantaneous, ensuring the integrity of the entire batch remains uncompromised. Modern automation handles the delicate product with more gentleness than a human touch. Every detail, down to the adhesive, is calculated for durability and shelf appeal. The era of manual labor is replaced by the tireless efficiency of the machine. We measure the structural integrity to ensure the consumer experiences the perfect crispness. Minimal moisture is the key to a long shelf life and the prevention of spoilage. Slow dehydration is the secret to achieving the perfect, shelf-stable crunch. After 30 days of growth, the larvae reach their peak nutritional density. Initial mechanical sorting removes the bulk of the organic substrate. A subtle infusion of natural minerals enhances the inherent nutty profile of the palm weevil. Centrifugal force removes moisture with surgical precision before the drying stage. The raw harvest is introduced to the line, beginning its journey through the cleaning circuit. Removing surface moisture is essential for the efficiency of the next sorting stage. Ozonated water provides a powerful, chemical-free antimicrobial wash. Each tray represents a concentrated source of healthy fats and proteins. Only the most pristine larvae move forward to ensure a premium final product. After 30 days of growth, the larvae reach their peak nutritional density. Vacuum transport minimizes physical handling, maintaining the integrity of the roasted shell. Slow dehydration is the secret to achieving the perfect, shelf-stable crunch. Transformation into a commercial product requires absolute uniformity in texture and weight. For the supplement market, the larvae are transformed into a fine, versatile flour. Presentation is key. The product must look as premium as its nutritional profile suggests. Every part of the larva is utilized, including its nutrient-dense oils. Quality larvae depend entirely on the nutrient-rich palm substrate they inhabit. The final roast develops the complex aromatic compounds desired by chefs. Balancing time and temperature is a delicate science in insect processing. Immediate cooling halts the cooking process, preserving the structural integrity of the larva. Precise temperature control ensures the proteins are stabilized without compromising texture. Blanching is the first step in the core process, neutralizing enzymes and locking in nutrients. Human oversight complements automation to maintain 100% quality assurance. Even the soles of the shoes must be chemically treated to prevent cross-contamination. Stabilizing the temperature post-roast prevents the fats from oxidizing. The scale of the operation is revealed as we enter the heart of the facility. Agitation ensures that every crevice of the larvae is reached by the sanitizing solution. From the palm heart to the facility, the raw harvest is now ready for transformation.
All set for processing.
With the harvest received, the transformation into a gourmet product begins. Strict entry protocols are the first line of defense in maintaining a sterile environment. Thousands of larvae are gathered for the transition from the farm to the plant.
These are the phase 2 crates. We need full coordination before processing.
Understood. We're ready. Timing is critical to maintain freshness before initial processing begins. With cleaning complete, the larvae enter the most critical phase of their transformation. Secure transport ensures the larvae remain in peak condition during the short journey to the plant. The spiral design maximizes space while ensuring even cooling for every individual unit.
Entry confirmed.
Entry into the processing zone requires strict authorization and scheduling. From the palm heart to the facility, the raw harvest is now ready for transformation. Efficiency in the breeding cycle ensures a continuous, sustainable output. Personal protective equipment is mandatory and strictly enforced at all levels. Specialized logistics bridge the gap between the farm and the consumer. Quality larvae depend entirely on the nutrient-rich palm substrate they inhabit. Immediate weighing establishes the raw input data for the day's production. Stability is paramount to prevent bruising or damage to the delicate specimens. A final layer of protection ensures the larvae are handled with total sterility. Precision drying prepares the exterior for optical inspection. This state-of-the-art facility is designed for one purpose: the perfection of insect-based nutrition. The transition to the processing environment is the most critical stage for food safety. Only larvae meeting strict size parameters proceed to the next stage. A final touch of purity before the transformation begins. Maintaining a cool, dormant state prevents metabolic loss. Traceability ensures that every larva can be tracked back to its specific breeding bin. Crossing the threshold into the processing floor requires total compliance. Every minute in transit is monitored via GPS and temperature sensors. Security and sanitation are integrated into every movement within the plant. Precision docking allows for a seamless, temperature-controlled transfer. Every step is documented to ensure full traceability of the batch. Our facility maintains a massive inventory to meet the growing global demand for sustainable protein. Efficient internal logistics move the finished goods toward the climate-controlled warehouse. Secure packaging ensures the product remains stable and protected during global transit. The science is complete. Now, the logistics of global distribution begin. The green seal is a promise of safety and excellence to the end consumer. With all tests passed, the batch is officially cleared for the final stage. Color consistency is a non-negotiable standard for our global retail partners. Human senses remain the ultimate judge of flavor, aroma, and mouthfeel. Advanced cameras scan each individual specimen for color and shape irregularities. The suit acts as a barrier, protecting the organic product from human contact. A subtle infusion of natural minerals enhances the inherent nutty profile of the palm weevil. Every batch is certified to meet the high protein claims displayed on the packaging. We confirm the high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that make this a superfood. Biological safety is verified through extensive testing for pathogens and bacteria. Quality control is the final gatekeeper of the facility's reputation. Even as the cases are stacked, a representative sample undergoes rigorous scientific scrutiny. Strength and precision converge as the batch prepares for the warehouse. Before palletizing, the cases are staged to ensure the most stable stacking configuration. A final safety check ensures the secondary packaging process hasn't introduced any hazards. Vertical space is utilized to keep the floor clear for sanitation and movement. Every case is given a unique digital identity for global distribution tracking. Every case is given a unique digital identity for global distribution tracking. Sealing the case marks the end of the product's exposure to the open air. Gentle handling prevents any crushing of the delicate roasted larvae inside. Automation builds the shipping containers in real time to match the line speed. Logic-driven grouping organizes the units for the next stage of the retail chain. Accuracy within a tenth of a gram ensures the consumer gets exactly what is promised. Permanent laser marking ensures that every tray is traceable for its entire shelf life. Heat is applied with electromagnetic precision, creating a perfect hermetic seal. The entire line is synchronized by a central programmable logic controller, or PLC. Neural networks are trained to recognize the perfect aesthetic for a premium snack. X-ray inspection ensures that no foreign objects, not even a grain of sand, enter the final pack. Proximity to the source is key to maintaining the high protein quality of the larvae. Tamper-evident seals provide the first layer of industrial food safety. Logistics and documentation are the final links in the industrial food chain. The facility breathes as products move out to international markets. This is the future of food: clean, sustainable, and packed with essential nutrients. Once sealed, the product is on its way to distributors across the globe. And this is how modern factories produce palm weevil larvae from start to finish. A revolution in agriculture, driven by technology and sustainable vision.